Hey Travis, it's Devin from SEO Dallas Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. We spoke to Maria a little earlier. You're probably wondering why I made this video. It's very simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. Typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is just free education. Now the 3 things I'm going to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now content is anything on the front page of Google of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business, like fencing in Austin, fence repair Austin, stuff like that. Now Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on their front page, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So if you look at your website, there's no questioning it. This is an absolutely gorgeous website. I don't know if you did this yourself or you hired someone, but this is a fantastic looking website. As far as content goes, Google's going to want you to have more words on this page. They're going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000. It looks like you have about 400 to 500. If you look at your main competitors, Viking Fence, they've got probably around 300 to 400 on their front page. And then Sierra Fence has about 600 words on their front page. So again, you're right around the same ballpark as these guys, but you're going to want to dominate them. So I would definitely recommend getting at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Another quick little tip here is whatever your images are saved as counts as content. So instead of MV image numbers, save that as like fencing in Austin, chain link in Austin, ornamental iron in Austin, stuff like that people are going to search for you. Now, there's that's content. Content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And so they look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so if you look right here, this is your website, Allied Fence and Security. It says you have 103 websites linking to you with 66 backlinks or 66 traffic coming from that. If you look at your main competitors, Viking, let's go to number 2 first, Sierra Fence. They've got 1,700 traffic going to them with 312 backlinks. And then, whoops, didn't mean to click that. And then if you look at Viking, these guys have 2,700 going to them with 281 websites. So what I'd recommend to you is make sure that you get the right type of links. I would go and copy these guys. I would add about 200 more websites pointing at you and do it within the fencing industry. And the best way to do that is to go find out what links they have and take the same ones. So you see they have like Hercules Fence, automatic gates, steel fencing. Those will all be good ones. House plan, probably good. Chicken wire fence, fence supplies, gate opener. These are all really good websites to get links from. So I would go after those. Last thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be citations. And citations are really important because if someone is looking for a fence company in Austin, they're going to type in Austin Fence and they're going to click the first person that comes up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, many people skip these ads nowadays because there's a ton of people with ad blockers, but there's also a large group of people out there who've had bad experiences with these ads, and so they just skip them on purpose. And so the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business information, like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor, Angie's List. These are really common ones. And so the best way to do that is to just go figure out what directories your competitors are in and list yourself in those exact same ones and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend to my clients 30 to 40%. That way, once you've taken that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, your competitors. You only have to do maybe an hour or 2 of work to continue to hold that number 1 spot and keep taking all those easy to close customers. So that is all I've got for you. I hope you guys found this really informative. The 3 things I went over for you today were content. I would definitely recommend getting this website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this front page. As far as backlinks go, you're going to want to add at least 200 websites linking to you, and I would just copy your competitors and take the good links from them and leave the bad ones behind. And then you can do competitor after competitor as well. And then citations, figure out what directories your competitors are in, and go list yourself in the exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. So hey, if you guys want to do this yourself, like I said, that's totally okay. This is free education. There's absolutely no strings attached. All I ask is that you just give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this email so I can make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. If you're on mobile, click this link. It goes right to our phones. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.